How to blur photo background in Photoshop. In this photo editing tutorial, learn how to add a smooth blur to your photo backgrounds easily in Photoshop. First open the photo you would like to work on. Now choose Select and Mask tool. I am using PSCC 2017 version. If your version doesn't contain Select and Mask tool, then you may use Refine Edge tool. Select View mode to your liking. I have already chosen to use on Overlay mode. Take Quick Selection tool. Click and drag the area you want to select. The mark you make doesn't need to be precise because the quick selection tool automatically and instinctively creates a border. Now we will want to have a look at our mask radius. So tick this Show Radius checkbox. If you increase the radius value slightly, you will see an outline appearing. That's the edge of our mask. In this case, I will set the radius at 8 pixels. If your image has both sharp and soft edges, I recommend you to select Smart Radius as well. Untick the Show Radius option once you set the radius. Now use the Refine Edge brush tool to refine edges. Brush over soft areas such as hair to add fine details to the selection. When you have completed brushing the edges, take Subtract Selection tool and delete unnecessary selections. Finally, tick the Decontaminate Colors box to remove any color fringing with the color of fully selected nearby pixels. In the output settings, I almost always use New Layer with Layer Mask. Click OK button and you are done. We successfully cut out the main subject from its background. To see Layer Mask itself, hold down Alt or Option key and click on Layer Mask thumbnail. If we zoomed in, you may notice some areas that needed some touch up. Take soft brush and change brush blending mode to overlay. Select black color and paint on areas to clean. Now we need to remove main subject from the background. To do that, duplicate background layer Ctrl plus J. Simply select the subject using lasso tool. Now go to Edit menu and fill the selection with Content Aware tool. Deselect the selection, Ctrl plus D. Now we need to add lens blur to the layer. Go to filter menu, select lens blur. Add blur radius to your preference. In this case I used 100%. Image looks good enough, but I will add color lookup adjustments to make image more beautiful. I will choose fall colors look to color tone the image. That's it. Here is before and after. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel